Hi, my name is Jennifer Cowling, and I am a Life Skills 811 special education teacher at CVES in the Mineville campus. In our classroom, there is an outstanding team that works together to help ensure your child's success. Our team includes Petty Combs, Nikki Harden, Jane Barrow, Erin Ledoux, Jill Spring, and Amy Quiche. In the life skills classroom, students are instructed in practical and functional life skills in order to prepare them to function appropriately in the community upon graduation. The program includes instruction in self-care, which can include brushing teeth, hygiene, counting money, and other skills, self-regulation, so reading their own schedule every morning, social emotion skills, and functional reading and math. Our students are exposed to functional reading skills the moment they enter school. Students are exposed to reading a schedule every day in their classroom along with calendar and other related information. We have monthly themes to work on social and science skills. This month, students will be learning about anti-bullying and fire safety. Next month, we will be learning about healthy eating, including the food pyramid and gratitude. In closing, I would like to say it is my pleasure to work with you and your child and to watch him or her grow and become a productive member of society. Best wishes to you and your family for a safe and productive year. Feel free to contact me anytime with questions or concerns.
Hi everyone, I'm Heidi Wells. I'm a school counselor here at CVES Mineville. I do individual and group counseling, and I'm also in and out of the classroom to assist students as needed. If you have any questions or concerns, please call me at 518-561-0100 extension 114. Thank you.